QDC here again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can grow your small trading capital as small as $20 into $500 within a short period of time. In case you guys are doubting this, I'm going to share with you the testimony which I posted on my Telegram channel on how one of my students used the same strategy to grow $18 into over $60 the same day, so that you guys can see it right from here. Okay, check it out. This is it. Okay, this is my Telegram channel, and you can see it right here saying QDC, that is Qora Digital Cash. Okay, that's my Telegram channel. I posted this morning when I got the message from my subscribers, and it says, okay guys, you can see it right here. This was the first message he sent to me, where he made $51 in profit, okay, starting from a capital of $18. You can see all these right here with a capital of $18. Check it out. Okay, I turned $18 to $51, my real account. Okay, and I responded, wow, this is amazing. I'm really happy about this. Okay, so this is an amazing story right here from one of my subscribers. Then later on, he sent another screenshot which I will be sharing with you right here. You can see this is the continuation of the last message, and it says that how he had turned it into $65. You can see it right here that he had turned it into $65. This is after closing the trade. That's amazing. He used a simple trading strategy which I will be sharing with you in this video, and we will be doing that on the PC platform. The reason is the strategy he used is on the PC platform, which is the custom made indicator, that is the 3M Train Milker trading tool. Okay, the 3M Train Milker trading indicator. Okay, that is the strategy he used, and I will be sharing with you the setup and how it went alongside with it. So quickly, let's go straight to the PC platform. Okay guys, I welcome you all to the PC platform, but before we go fully into how we can grow our small trading capital, that is our $20 into $500, it might take some days, probably a week or thereabout. You know, the strategy we'll be using is going to work for 7 days, and of course, I mean, you can trade on the asset for 7 days, because if you should check it out, is trading synthetic indices. Okay, and synthetic indices are always open for 7 days. That is 24/7. Okay, so all these are what we will be checking out. So it might take some days, it might take you 5 days, a week or thereabout. Just go steadily and follow the strategy, and as you are getting the opportunity within the market, take advantage of it and milk the market successfully. It's very simple, and we will go straight into it. But before we go straight into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online. So online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every strategy shared in my video, practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, let's go straight into the chart and see how the strategy works. Okay guys, so I will be launching the chart right away. In case you don't have an MT5, in case you don't have a MT5 chart like this, then you need to do your registration on the derivative platform or binary platform. Do your registration, then you should be able to download your MT5 right from there and do your login right from there. It's very easy to do. I've done some videos on how you can do this on my channel. You can check it out right from there. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have. This is Boom 1000. Okay, this synthetic indices which we'll be trading goes on, there are 6 types of assets under this particular set of, under this particular synthetic indices. We've got Boom 1000, Boom 500, Boom 300, Crash 1000, Crash 500, Crash 300. You can trade any of them. Okay, they follow the same pattern. Okay, all booms follow the same pattern, and all crash follow the same patterns, just that they are more volatile than one another, than the other. Okay, the most volatile of all is that of the 300, while 500 is next to it, and of course 1000 is less volatile than than the rest. Okay, so that is very, very important, so you just take note of that. So personally, this is how you launch your chart. You just right click on the asset right here and click on chart window, and it's going to give you something similar to this. Okay, this is on 1 hour time frame. Of course, I don't like the grid pattern, and I love removing it so that I can have a clearer view of what I'm saying right here. Okay, so this is how your chart will look like, but I will advise you to take it down to our 5-minute time frame. Just like I always tell you, okay, there are so many things that you need to have in mind whenever you are trading. Number one is your trend. Your trend is always very, very important. Let me take it back to 1 hour time frame so that we can check that out. Okay, your trend is always very, very important. Once you are on the right trend, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. If you are on the wrong trend, you may likely get it wrong. You can see it right there. Around there, the market was on downtrend, so you can see that it kept on going down and down. Okay, so this is very, very important. You don't buy at this point, you only sell at this point, because the market was on downtrend. And of course, when the market goes back on uptrend, you don't sell. Okay, you buy at that particular point. So it is as easy as that. So, okay guys, how did the guy grow? How was he able to grow up is $18 to $65, and how can you duplicate the same effort? Number one, let me quickly say this. Okay, let me quickly say this, that because he was able to achieve the same that result within a day does not mean you will achieve the same thing within a day, and it does not mean you cannot even do better than that. Okay, it all depends on your time, on the time you spend in the market in practicing with the strategy which I will be showing you in this video. So all you just need to do is just to stay focused and watch this to the end. Okay, so this is what he did. Okay, the first thing was to focus on the trend. Okay, if first of all make sure he is trading within the right trend. Okay, and of course it took into consideration the support zone and the resistance zone. Okay, this is the resistance zone, and below here is the support zone. Okay, it took that into consideration. And of course, another major thing he has been doing is using a very good trading tool. I told you he was able to achieve that with the help of a good trading tool. Okay, if you should check this out, you might not really get your bearing around there if you are not very good with technical analysis, but if you have a very good trading tool, then you will be able to analyze effectively. This is the strategy he used. Actually, this is the strategy he used. Okay, he applied this trading tools, and it made it look simple, and it was very easy for him to use. Okay guys, let's take it down to 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is 5-minute time frame, and of course this is what we have on 5-minute time frame, and check it out. This is how it looks like. So you can see when the market is on downtrend, when it is on uptrend. Okay, and how do you recognize that? The yellow flag shows that the market is on uptrend, and this is boom, and of course this is boom 1000. You can see that there are so many spikes happening around there, and the market was moving towards uptrend at this particular point. And of course right here the market was on downtrend around there, and you can see the red flag around there, so it shows that the market was on downtrend, and definitely there are lesser amount of spikes happening around there, so which means this is what he was actually focusing on. And of course he focused on the downtrend because he was just selling boom 1000 and buying crash 1000. That was what he was doing. So quickly, let's see how he was able to achieve this. This is what he did when he started. Okay, he made sure he picked he noticed when the market was at the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone, and he waited for the red flag to pop up, and also followed the signal that supports the red flag. Okay, you can see it right there. This is 5-minute time frame, and we got a sell signal around there, and the red flag came up around there, and you can easily come in and trade because the market is within the right trend at that particular point. It is within the sell trend, so you can easily sell within that point. Of course there will be spikes happening here and there because there will always be pullback, but it won't be it won't be a major one that in such a way that it will affect the profits you are making or even your capital. You can see from the entry point to this point alone has given us 28 candles. Okay, if you should do your calculations very well, 28 times 5 to know the amount of minutes spent in the markets already. That is 140 minutes in the market. Okay, with a very small trading capital like $20, definitely you will be earning 10 cents per minute. Sorry, it's most likely you earn you will be earning 10% within 10 cents and 50 cents per minute. Okay, let's say you are earning 10 cents per minute. Okay, let's say you are earning 10 cents per minute. Now let's do the division, times 0 points, okay, 1, okay, that's 10 cents per minute. Okay, that is $14. You can imagine that you would have earned $14 at that point, and $14 added to 20, your initial $20 capital, that will be giving you $34. That will give you more courage within the market, and of course you will be able to increase it to get to a stage whereby you will be able to increase your lot size within a short period of time. Okay, this is just the trade between here between here and here, and here. Okay, okay, between here and here. Okay, so what if you now have the opportunity to trade the rest? Okay, once you see your sell signal, then you should know that it is ready to sell. So far your right signal is coming, your right arrow is popping up from the resistance zone, and you are within the sell trend region, then definitely you are cool to go. Okay, you can see you have the opportunity to trade between here and here. Okay, so it pulls back a bit, and of course we got another sell signal around there, and we still have our red flag. If you should come in again, you have the opportunity to milk the market again. And once you are approaching a major support zone like this, I will advise you to stay away from the market at that particular point, because anything can happen right from there, except if the support zone was broken. Okay, if it got broken, then definitely you can go into the market again and sell again. So that is it. So you always wait for the opportunity to come before you jump into the market. Okay, you need to be patient. Okay, the other way around is crash 1000. You can see this is crash 1000. If you are trading with small capital, I will advise you to trade 1000 indices alone. Okay, for now you trade 1000 indices alone, and as you grow your capital you can add 500 to it. Okay, so that is very, very important. So right from this support zone we got our buy signal. You can see it kept on buying. There are crash happening in between, there are spikes happening in between, but they were not strong enough to take away your capital or your profits. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can just come in here and trade. Let's say you decide to trade between your entry point right here and you exit here. This is giving you another 12 candles. Okay, if you should do your calculation again, any 10 cents per minute. Okay, that is 12 candles times 5. Okay, that should be 60, right? 60 minutes, that's 1 hour times 10 cents. Okay, times 10 cents, that's $6 added to whatever you have earned already. That will be making your profit, your capital, $40 at that point. You can see that it is very easy for you to grow your trading capital with this strategy. All you just need to do is to have the same setup I am having on the chart, then take your time frame to 5-minute time frame, then follow the instruction. For crash 1000, make sure it is coming from the support zone, make sure you've seen the yellow flag, and make sure you have also seen the buy signal. But for boom 1000, make sure it is coming from the resistance zone, make sure you've seen the red flag, and make sure you have a red arrow popping out. Then you can come in at that point. There are some times that the market will range a bit, but it will only delay you from getting to your destination, but you will definitely get to your destination once you use a reasonable lot size that your trading capital can manage. Okay, so that is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. I'm not saying that this strategy is 100% perfect, but so many people have been using this strategy to make a lot of money for themselves. Okay, you too can also do the same thing. All you just need to do is just to understand how it works, and of course you can of course practice and perfect your trading skill with it before going on your real account. Okay, once you understand this, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully with this. Okay, so you too can also apply the same strategy right now and see how much profit you will be able to make at the end of the day. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a trading video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.